and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the iPad Air 5th generation 2022 and its accessory. There are 5 colors that you could choose from for the iPad Air 5th generation: space gray, pink, purple, blue, and starlight. And you could choose it with a 64 gigabytes memory or 256. And you can also get it either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi plus cellular. So the Wi-Fi cost $599 and the Wi-Fi plus cellular is $749. You can also add engraving on your iPad Air if you want for free. If you also has a iPad before and you want to trade that in, I don't know what the prices are, but you can find that on apple.com if you want to order the iPad Air. As soon as you click on that button for trading in your gadget, they will ask what serial number it is and what brand it is, and at the end of those instructions that was given to you, you will find out how much it costs, and that will be deducted to the original price of the iPad Air, so you will get it less than the original price. So I've never been interested with colored iPads. I just didn't really care what it looks like because you're gonna put a case anyways on it. But as soon as I saw that iPad Air video on YouTube from Apple, I was so excited to see the real color, in-person color of the iPad Air purple, which is on the video. It was so pretty, and the colors that they put on the video is so pretty. So that's why we are here. If you are interested in this purple iPad Air 5th generation and the accessories that I got, just keep on watching. Let's start with the iPad. So as you can see, there is a purple right in here. Obviously I got the purple iPad Air. Is 64 gigabytes iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. I'm gonna put it on the side and let's see what's inside. Paperwork. It's so thick. I thought there's more there, but there isn't. But it's just instructions telling you where's the button, where to press and hold the button for the volume, the Touch ID, which is, I'm so excited to try, the volume buttons, the home button, control center, dock, and app switcher. Wow, smart connector and stuff. I'm so excited. And these are just, it says the safety and handling, exposure to radio frequency and stuff, and 1-year limited warranty in the back. Stickers. So we got this adapter. And a USB-C to USB-C. And that's it. So tiny. So excited for the color. I don't know if this is a good lighting here, but hopefully this will show you the color of the purple iPad Air. Let's take this plastic off. so satisfying. Oh, my god. Oh my god! Wow. What is this? Wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This is so thin. I wonder if this is thinner than the iPad Pro. It matches my nails. How about the lighting on the other side? That's the color. Look at that color. It's so beautiful. I'm so glad I got this because I was even thinking about getting the pink one. Wow. I'm really wondering what this is. This circle right here. So let's unbox the Apple Pencil now. My Apple Pencil for my iPad Pro is actually, I think it's 2-year-old, and I'm excited to get this new one. It will just tell you that it will magnetically attach to iPad Pro to pair, charge, and store and stuff. Just double tap to change modes. Oh, I didn't know that. And then replace the tip, and I got the tips. So next here is this Pop Mouse, the Studio Series by Logitech. Oh, wait. That color is so cute. It's with green too. Cutie. And then last is the Pop Keys Studio Series by Logitech. It's a mechanical wireless keyboard, which I'm really excited to try. And this reminds me of the old typewriter, the one that you have to press hard. So I'm excited. What's interesting about this is it's wireless. So how is that possible? Wow, it's really pretty. It's See, it's such a pretty packaging right here. Oh my god. Under the paper, you will find I think these are emoji keys. It's so pretty, the color. It says right here that we get 8 swappable emoji keys and 1 emoji menu key for Windows and Mac OS only. And included in the packaging here is this USB connector to, I guess, connect it with Windows. So let's put this away. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can't wait to use this. Maybe long pressing. Set it up here. Hello. This is so awesome. And I'm just gonna use my right side here. This is really heavy, so I'm gonna assume this is the on button here. Go to the settings, Bluetooth. Oh, I have to take this off, I guess. 2 batteries. 1, 2. And I already turned it on. Ooh, there it is. Yeah. So you have to enter so that it will connect. I'm gonna connect this mouse here. Let's see. I wonder how you take it off. Oh, like that. Oh, and it has a battery too. Oh man, I keep dropping stuff. Here. Yeah.
is so silent.
Done unboxing my accessories and the iPad, and I super love this iPad Air. I told my husband that I am going to return this, but I am not because I'm so in love with the color. Super happy that I got this. And my accessories, oh my gosh, I love this keyboard. This is so heavy, a little bit heavy. I don't know how heavy this is, but this is so awesome. Look at that. It makes me think about the typewriters. It just brings back memories. And I've been playing with it, and I will play more after this video. And also with this mouse right here. This is from Logitech. Both of these, and they did not sponsor me. I just happen to love their products. And if you have any questions regarding this, just message me on Instagram and just comment down below. So I just want to show you close up here. This is a natural lighting, by the way, so it's so pretty. And in person, guys, it's so beautiful. I have been crazy about purple lately, so I love it. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'm gonna go play with my new toys. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.